As we can see, there are multiple measures in this data model. It does not look organized, it does not look professional. So what we can do is create a table for these measures so that it looks neat and clean. How to do that? Click on these three dots. You will see this enter data option. Click on this option. We will create an empty table. Let us name this table as underscore measures. Okay, and we'll keep everything empty. Click on this load data. So why did we use underscore? So that it comes at the top. Okay, now after we create this table, we need to move existing measure. So let's say I want to move this measure to this new table. So I'll just click on this measure. You see this home symbol, so just click here and select the new table. As we can see, this has gone to the newly created table. So likewise we can do for other measures also. Click on the measure and select the table to move the measure to this measures table. Okay, then you can delete this existing empty column. So I'll click on delete from model. This will create this column 1. Okay, now if you want to create a new measure, just click on this and create a new measure so that all these measures will be in this measures table.